some, the army of darkness. They come from upon what's in the head, they are so dangerous. The army of darkness. They came into the world just to destroy the work of God. Army of darkness. Enti hwa mu ye na wan konso hwem. Obusa menya bere, bobo mu sejata. Ohihwe obi aminino, mawaninda ho. Army of darkness. Yeah, army of darkness. They are so dangerous. Army of darkness. Yeah, army of darkness. They are so dangerous. Army of darkness. Yeah. Upon somebody one day was sent into the world by their father Lucifer to kill, to steal, and to destroy every living thing on the earth now. Or they are down every mind energy, never pamper serious, physical to me, ya won't papa dia. Upon somebody one day was sent into the world by their father Lucifer to steal, to kill, and to destroy every living thing on the earth now. What's the Yaredom Major Man? Now was it Baba saying, oh, hey, Sunday Biasi to me, Nina, you want Papa dear. So be well, a prophet be well. If you are a pastor, a teacher. Make noise. You know something? Today and tonight is my first day coming here. So I want someone to be my ice cream baby. Who wanna be my ice cream baby? I want somebody to be my ice cream baby tonight. What's your name?
Shira.
Shira. That's a nice name. So, you want to be my ice cream baby tonight?
Of course, I want to be your ice cream baby.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Okay. So, dance with me, okay? Mr. DJ!
One
I go die for her, oh my baby. She's the one and only my body. Each time I see her, my lovey. So, what did you say your name was?
So sure.
Shira, yeah. I forgot.
And you are?
Kaakyire.
Kaakyire. As in the last one?
Yeah, something like
Okay.
that. Yeah.
I
I'm
see.
the last born to my parents.
I see. I love the performance. It was excellent. I mean, it was beautiful. Listen, I want to help you, okay? You are star material. You have the voice. You sing so beautifully, and your performance is good. I mean, you can perform on any big stage. You can compete with anyone in the system. I want to help you.
You're kidding me. Are you sure?
Oh! Okay, what do I do to prove I'm serious?
Nothing but
Listen, I want to help you. Yes, but on one condition.
wow. Okay.
See, I want you to move in with me.
Hey, I live with a pastor, so I don't think it can work. I don't think so.
You what?
I live with a pastor and his wife. You know something? I sing in the church every Sunday. Why? Hey, come on. Why are you laughing? Why are you laughing? Is it because I live with a pastor?
You mean you live with a pastor
Yeah.
in the village?
No, yeah.
And you sing in the church? You sing this kind of songs in the church?
No. Gospel.
Oh.
So, it can work, okay?
Yes, it will work.
No.
Let me
How
tell
come?
you how. We'll arrange something, okay? Tell him I'm your sister. Tell him I'm like a long distance relative. I'm your cousin, anything. Just tell him anything you believe. Then you can move in with me.
You're so funny. Yo, pastor. I'm saying, you share in your bonnet. And I'm a crowd, send me a party. No. After you dear grown year, and I'm cocoa share, my sister, mine. Intina and commodity mono. Now, oh, baby, or tear, you say, a hobby to me, a container me, no. On a crowd to 2 point. Intina per se, or mammy, a better than her, said the bear, meeting me a share, the near maso crack a man. And intina by ya, you send me the better money, said the bear. Namia, Duma, or Chinamiti, my best son, Yama. My corner.
Kaakyire,
Pastor.
anya bia ya fom wo kwan bi so.
Oh, Debbie. Nyamimpen. E bi nsida na e bi nso nsida. Na me mpesa me de ma de so anyina e begu mu so. That's the reason why me ne mo ba beka na masrem. Say o ma me kwan a me tin na kote.
Kaakyire. Ewo musa. Aha uti. Yentetio. Yen hawo. Na yen kire wo se firi ha na se yenwunwem. Na mum de ha me ne se. Obi betena baabi na waka se bia na yetetio nti na wo firi fie ha. Aputupuru ya waba wo se wo ko.
How minim. Na sabe the way I see take care of me no as oyefunu ba no de obi antimi nyina baabi nkasa please. Mama me kwan na me nko. Na me nan be yentientia Afranie don nyina.
Na yentietia nso wo asori fie. So what?
Thank you.
Jesus!
Darling, what is it?
honey, nothing.
Are you sure?
I'm okay. I'm okay. Kaakyire.
Pastor.
Ujidi say onua bai.
So the guy can say e yebusua tenten na mbom ye ben.
Nti nka me kura me ye bisa say no ma me ma no to so say.
E yebusua tenten.
Kaakyire. I'm repeating the word again. Are you sure that this lady is your sister?
Yes, Pastor. She is.
Minti min so kwan. Ba wo kono. Ma onan enye tietia. E wonya me fie.
Amen.
Emfa on paibo endi agro. Onya me na wo so mo no. So ni mu yie. Kaakyire. Minim se ne awote. E na me ka kiro. Emfa on paibo endi agro de biarada. Na hwe hu yie.
Okay, so this is my place, and you're welcome.
Wow. Thank you. Have a nice place.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you. I feel good. La 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 la. Oh, so amazing.
So, you want to drink something?
What do you have?
Okay. I have something special for you.
Wow. Surprise.
I'd like to learn how to play this guitar.
Okay. Then come and sit here.
Okay. Thank you. But this first.
Oh. Maybe Ukrasi needs someone. I don't know how to open it.
Are you serious?
Me who be that video. Like this. Wow.
So yeah, then you know now.
Are they your friends?
Champagne. Champagne. Oh yeah, then you know. And I
You're washing it. Ladies first.
Okay.
So, you have to say something.
Okay, cheers to us. Happiness, long life, and more love.
Sure. How many kids are you gonna have?
No.
15. Why not? 4.
Yeah.
Are you sure? Okay.
Cheers.
So nice.
Okay, when you're done, it's just bedtime.
Sorry. Yeah, but we'll sell now. Anyway, let me teach you. Come here.
Before you teach me here, it's not a different kind. This is your house. Just feel comfortable. Feel at home.
Thank you very much. Have a nice place.
Thank you.
Hey, darling.
You are a darling.
Okay. We call this one Amponson.
Okay.
Listen to it. Okay, try it and let me see. Try it.
Wow. Why are you laughing?
You know something? Listen. Omorwe. It's the same chucha. It's the same tomboase. Now me the Caesars. You know one.
Obi to me for marine.
No, I mean who be that?
So?
Yeah, since I was born.
Wow.
So, you say, you have a dream there. You want more time. So, I'll teach you later.
Okay,
So,
then.
Tell you, then
Martin.
I'm glad you catch me.
Finish your drink. Let me show you your room.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
Afranie.
You can't use me squat at the high data. It's in this car before.
Call our center. I want one brave. Come on, feeling Mama. I'm a time I'm going to school. You look, you people think they be a more combined ban warfare and more people 1 second. You think that the money is certain somewhere. Now, Frana, no, right? The brepa and Sandy Minister. And no, you have no school on the two in a while. I'm in Muku school. Musquat and Nichu. I check. Matatai. If you Musquat and Nichu, national woman, you now, but you're different. Sister, make out your play. The fatter when you demand jealous can marshal. Sweetie. What's a minute?
No, but you're Miss Cookies. Just a month, you're Miss Cookies. Not the year, come and see you. Come here, Zamsa.
Moko school, pay school fees, and 1,000. wapamu bana starter. Bana wa start wapamu school fees. So it's normal. Right? Look, mumwe is maybe in trouble. What's education? The best thing that you can give to your kids. Well, come by, yamma. Yamma, the member. I'm frank. I'm maybe a belt or that. I'm maybe a belt that. And I who dear mother friend. Man, traveling to me school fees. What in my year? Me bro. So a pamu school fees are on your ship. Bra. Nabobwa, Mawi, and one. Oh, Crumble, you can be a watchman there. Damn, obey boys want to move for a monobi, want to move from past corners. Now, a wife in there, Papa was sent to our pamu school fees. Why can't you fight with them? Yeah. Malcolm, toy na so. Malcolm na so. I did my toy was Malcolm. Malcolm. Where is Katawere? Textbooks. Picture baby. Kasa. Imidibo.
20.
Imidibo.
20 on pay against
Dibo. Atawo ayata tratata.
20 maybe some. I against be man pay.
Who am I kanjo? My brother. 20.
It's more from school fees no monta dey na mo ba bedjum school ta dey na mo ba bedjum. And what can come go mo so mo tell me so no pay.
Say me a double man dog. Me a double man dog.
Tony. What you na apostle Tony? Mami woni e me you.
Anytime. Who may hear school fees now? Who can all you can about no day? It's a sabi. But then you will pan. It's a sabi. One modern, na boy as it's a sabi. Lady Gina Junction, let it don't go be, let the poor woman away. I have a very, very important issue with you. But I was just waiting for appropriate time to discuss with you. Damn, now come now, Gina one. If you show them another than more than more. Oh, that the bill Samaracoma or Church of Quine. Nenua, your Chinese, no one, your brain, damn. You know, combination. Who gave you those combinations? I mean, I'm your older mother. Now, I'm not my friend with 18 years. Now, my report home at action. They are only so baby a coffee fee because then you want me to be. Then you want there Chinese young in Sulfan. In Sulfan, Chinese young in Sulfan. Oh, Totuni, or Totuni, or Totuni, or Totuni, the ma Bonsukra who know to me fun because then you want Messi or Bonsuma Usuro. Damn Chinese in here. Because men one hoka not na cause I'm paying be made them home ganjam na ba
so no we am wanwa o who ya me wanwa
bramie dey come
bone na
bramie dey
aso fa so dey jam
bramie dey mutu my DNA
and ma honya den
tesisia
ma honya den o bra bone na wada na fafanto na o hwihwisi flowers
you have so many issues
aso fa so dey jina ho
you have so many issues
aso fa so dey jina ho no
school look out very soon. Move again. Number the one I'm going to class. Coco,
so you want to be by you. I want to be home.
Mamma can very day of minimum. That day, no la. So for Kadamanka, I remember I do none can put our reverse. I'm a try as of know you. Make a far. Where do the certificate of share? I don't ship the next 5 days, you know.
I know.
Oh, that man's Yamabo. Yamaba, Yamaba, we can show plane.
Hey, Tony.
Yeah.
I want to buy woman says si from.
Oh, we say the phone. So we at here. Emi, I want to mean says the very deep. Now regret the big time.
Hey, Tony, what was your fork? Can you? What was your fork? Can you? Somebody we are me, but I'm a general that drew honor. I was reading that drew honor.
And maybe some fun about how I can. Emi, what's the bummer in my bottom? Now that means the what that.
Who's the kind of idea? Come to you if you have.
I can use it without
If you have. Bama one answer about it. I'm not saying the uncle. Or back about the 2 feet. Or back about the 2 feet. Sir.
Men shall clap now. Yes. Hey, that's my baby.
You
Exquisite. Exquisite. You look so beautiful.
It's just okay. What's the meaning of this?
What?
Now you tell me, what do you have to do with my friends?
Which of your friends?
Which of my friends do you know?
If my memory can serve me right, since the day I gave you the lift and you left my place, I haven't seen any of them again. And what are you talking about?
Are you sure you've not seen them? You sure you're not lying to me?
I can't lie to you. I can't lie to you. How can a gentleman like me divide my heart into so many parts?
So will you trying to tell me
Hey,
that I'm your
you are the only one I'm going to marry.
married? But you're already married.
Yes. Mutu long about.
Oh, really? Oh, it's eating us so fast. Hold on.
Yes, we are.
Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. Don't worry. Let's just go. Yeah, let's go.
I said the man. Come.
Baby. No. Hold on. You always like when you hold me.
Right now.
Yeah. When you touch me.
One day, because
No, don't worry. Not so fast. Oh. No, you sit down. You sit down, baby. Oh, stop it. I just want to tell you I love you. I know you're in the mood. I just want you to have a feel of Delilah. You know I love you.
Did you love them?
Don't worry about the door. No, nobody's coming. No. Babe.
You know
I love you.
I know you love me.
I love you so much.
I know you love me, but
No. Sweetie, take it easy. I'm yours. And only yours.
I know you are mine.
Nobody's gonna take me away from you.
Nobody will come here. Let's go.
Baby. Hold me. You know I like when you... Baby.
Yes.
You know what?
Yeah.
Can I please have the check?
Oh, check now.
Yeah.
I can give it to you now.
Okay, so can I have it?
Let's finish.
No, baby, we'll do that when you come home. You just come to my house.
Don't worry, baby. Please. You say how much you want?
Just 1,000.
1,000.
Just 1,000.
Okay.
Yeah.
1,000. More.
1,000.
Okay, you take. Just 10,000. Kind of city.
Really?
Go.
Oh, you're a darling.
I know.
I'll be expecting
Are you going?
No, don't worry. I'll be expecting you this evening. Sit down. You're a gentleman. You have to work and earn more money. So you sit down and be that darling boy. I know you do. I love you.
I love you too. I love you too.
Bye. I love you. All right, love. I love you, baby. Kiss in the air. Mwah. Oh, you're a darling. Mwah. Oh, baby. Oh, baby. Mwah.
Mama Padamo. Miru Ashutu. What? I'll marry this girl. Okay, I have to go and clear these goods. Let me check the account balance. Don't what's up, Messi? Account balance. I got 10,000. Let me stop the check right now. Hello? Oh, machine on your cousin. I'm from managing a personal line. Machine on your cousin. Out of what? Oh, you want to me in the say. When you're out of coverage, you'll be a say. Hey, Ravi. Hello. William. So why are you in this office? Tell me, why are you in this office? You are here to protect me. You are here to make sure that my business is going well. I'm going to lose the big time. This position, you don't deserve it. Abraham, no time, yes. Oh, you're quick with me, and yeah, time, yes. If from her, I am Kaka from her. God, maybe a yabo. Hey, Rosy, Medicine, how am I going to create this goose? Try once again. Ecobank. Siribizo. Toy now on your cousin. Hey. Yes. Who is that? We get to conscious. Hello, answer machine. With the girl, get the boss, get the money down, Hello, answer machine. I want you to tell accountant. There. Tell me about our friend Delilah. Okay, the 10,000 check. On check number, non-broken, networkly. Aye. Hey. Yesu. Ekumima so papa. He disappointed Yesu. Oh. He disappointed Yesu. Oh, he's Spanish. He be here Yesu be papa. He's Spanish. He be no na papa do. I tell you more. Hey. Hey, secretary! Secretary!
The way she shot up, ni shade, Emma Omeka, Nini Emma Oye Biarade, Di Sene Niebwe, Ubidaba, we, dear Okoba, Odamno ni Casa Daddy Pefe, Okoba, the way she shot up, ni shade, Emma Omeka, Nini Emma Oye Biarade, Di Sene Niebwe, Ubidaba, we, dear Okoba, Ubidaba, we, dear Okoba, Ubidaba, we, dear Okoba, Ubidaba, we, dear Okoba, Ubidaba, we, dear Okoba. Mesano yima, makume.
Beautiful Chuchu.
Hey, you. Hi.
Hi.
I miss you. Honey.
You thought you were having me for fun. Watch it. I'm coming for you.
You have to tell us, you have to tell us.
What is it, guys?
Boy, you have to leave Atom out of this. I don't think he knows anything about that.
Atom, from the day you linked us to that girl, that Delilah girl, we've had no peace in this campus.
No, guys, listen. I do a clean job and a good job at that.
God is a good job?
My job is to link you to the girls and I take the money. There's no cause for alarm.
Then why is it that my girlfriend keeps changing her face into that Delilah girl's face? Why?
Keep changing her face?
Atom, if there's something to it, you have to tell us. You have to tell us. You have to tell us. Atom, you have to tell us. You have to tell us.
To me see so, na min kasemo, mami fili boko, uni mi do.
What is your uncle? What do you mean?
When I come from Kumasi,
Okay.
that was a lie. Don't mind the old one.
Alaji! Doctor!
Alaji, it is not what you think.
Doctor!
I met Fiona.
At what?
Yeah. Tell him
Doctor!
I met you here. I met
Fiona! Doctor!
Alaji
choice is your doctor choice?
Oh, Alaji, it is not what you think.
What?
I met her.
Wait.
It is not what you think,
Today
Alaji.
you go forget your doctor and become your ghost. I tell Nala Siala, I'll kill you.
Tell him. You can't talk.
Hey, Alaji!
Alaji.
I'll blow your head.
Please.
Hey!
Alaji.
Get away from me. Hey!
Please.
Hey!
Alaji. You are my friend.
Get out!
Alaji.
Fiona!
Please. I'm not forgetting our friend. Alaji.
You are a friend from... You are a friend and you are taking our choice. Not so.
Alaji.
What? Hey! Hey! Doctor!
Listen.
Doctor!
Listen.
Doctor!
You know the relationship between us.
Between what?
Oh, please.
Between what?
You are my friend.
You are my friend and you are taking my choice. Not so.
You are even my brother. Please.
Fucking brother! I'll kill you! Fuck you!
To me see so, na min kasemo, mami fili boko.
I know they like that. Why you do so?
What I do?
Don't make serious at the level.
I don't do nothing.
I know they like that. I beg you, allow me.
What I do? Come on for there. What I do? I didn't learn my book. What I do?
What you do? I didn't like what you do.
Come on for there. Come on for there.
Make I come up for that.
Come on for there. What I doing? I didn't read my book. What did that make serious? I didn't learn for you. Oh, my friend, come on for there. Make I come on for there. you know that I'm a Muslim? I let you on top. Oh, Fiona, forgive me. Laila!
Mono, Mapayamami. Morning, Hamo. Motimia, Duman, come. The Munia Seladia. Well, you and your friend do so. As someone know the Payam myself, or don't ye? Just a meeting. One more meeting, maybe. A family one dinner. In the Mayano. Nemo Moni school for any dear Bruno Muni Copra for any dear Bruno Muncoso Muni, sorry for any dear Bruno so Muncoso, Escafono Muncoso, any asofono Muncoso my ne drew Mila Here Kaakyire Ekra Oh, Manimuha. Someone to them make a chamono.
Shira, when you say the army of darkness. Edumana na person be. O yachi. I don't know person for no love market tracer. This woman Lucifer ni buefu. Woman Lucifer ni buefu pa. Na ye eduma. Entesa. Me ela da fikra.
Why can't?
Catch me cry.
Repeat me if I catch you cry.
Shaye. Crown or sofa. Sama. What's it?
Oh no. I can't. God, I love him.
Sweetie, come on.
Oh yeah.
I heard you talking about love. Is it the love that you have for me? That's why you're standing here talking to yourself. What's going on?
Yes, it's the love I have for you. You know I love you.
Oh yeah? Really?
Yes.
I love you too.
Thank you.
It's getting late. Let's go.
Yes, I'm ready.
Okay. Good behave. Come on. Hey.
So, as I was saying, I am beginning to feel that Delilah girl is possessed.
What made you think so?
See, the last time my girlfriend came to us, if you can remember, her face changed into Delilah's face.
But that's not the only proof.
My brother, I am afraid. I am very, very afraid.
I think I'm beginning to believe you. And even look at the way we lost two of our friends.
Yes. The way Bibi hates our brother. I think there's more to it. There is more to it.
You know, my father has an adage. He says that every burnt yam ends up in a bitter taste. It is not better than the charcoal. And you know, my mom also had another one to it. That as you make your bed, so must you lie on it.
As for you, sometimes you can create jokes.
Yeah, we meet at the nightclub today, so life must go on, you know.
Anyway, Mr. Proverbs. Charlie, so what are the meanings of all these addicts?
Okay, the first one, my mom's one, that as you make your bed, so must you lie on it. Simply means one bears the consequences out of his own mistakes. So I think as for them, they died out of their own mistakes. who knows, maybe Bibi had done something to Vicky earlier on that he couldn't forgive.
It's true. And today I'll do my normal usual dancing.
You will not have his soul. Do you understand? Even if it will take you banning me from the kingdom because of him, I am ready to lose it. Hey! Sir! Chain! Chain!
Today is a great day, and a great day is today. Indeed, I'm here to outdoor my newly omnicollegible girlfriend. In fact, I'm doing this just because of her, because, well, my business is booming. I have money. So then I have to do this today. I mean, in favor of this beautiful, nice girl. Don't hesitate. Marinate, drink, dine. After you're going to eat, let's all be on the floor. Dance. My DJ, give you some nice music.
Hey, love, love go kill me. I come and some yakanoni.
want to come. Be by no house. I bet you want this. Hey! And you're not cool. You're not going to come. Stop crying. Maybe I didn't understand about it. I didn't do it. But who did it? I just saw you lying. Jesus Christ. Please. To help you. Man. No. I didn't do it, please. But who did it? I'm trying to help him. Mr. Parker. Everyone wants to say. Mr. Parker. Huh? What about when I want to go to this can one thing? Mr. Parker, who did this to you? Maybe I told someone that comes up with us. One. You never go to one. Anybody more than how? What's your name, Mr. Parker! Jesus Christ. Mr. Parker, please wake up. Mr. Parker! Mr. Parker!
Onegechu. Your friend Inspector Venda Piazza.
Your friend Inspector Joe.
You know Central Police Station.
I can't be here. My
the Drew on my baby, I got you. You, uncle. Janko!
My friend move.
Say when you members and be brave. Say my papa, you are a belly of beef. Mautonka for. No one need down. Jan for someone. So kind maybe I will never buy baby Beffio. Me said that baby coming. I'm said a bizarre say. A baruano, oh, my man, not also. You see a bush attending, or your baby were in the one the world. Show how I do a papa too. They say, softens in you. Menamaka about wash a brammy brain. I say, Jib Bemage now. Bema Ben and Kamewa Bofan. And so me or babies here, made Jamanaso, Majua Befi, intimate Dinyamidi, Esro. They say, Jaffe.
I want to say, where do you share a branch here, Kurukuru? The two new dogs, Kakrasa.
Oh, I rather. Ah, number one, some are working. So, what you show me, I say, so didn't inform you. Now, the battery.
That be when not for a year. We not suffer a good share for Nema Mini.
ura na ehwe na de wo fa niampo ne me e fra me ya okata no ro si ye fra no ekuya
chen
ekuya
ja na me nti mama ne
na me si wo nya so
ma wura ene se
Mpacho mo so nkasa na he so why me fam cho
libre di ba ye nya de ese be kan boko kasa
ene se me eye me ba be ma ye fra ne Kaakyire when the name ye kokko kakra kadwa ene ne timi kusu
owami
we no
me pacho aje sa mu kita ne mfon yi
woni moto
da bia no kita jitai
mi hu ni pe bi sa da nti mu de me ko next store why
mama se me ko sofo da
sofo e kudu da bia enya sofo se wo akwa no
kacha se we
shede o mo tire na mu jojo bia mu anya mo ba bra papa mo ba bra wan krama mu jojo bia mo fa picture mo describe ne keka mo ba de hu no wan ya kra na mu hu no
anti me pacho ya mana da pa etwa ho
me twa
no pass na me hwehwe no no try buri ye ni ase be bra ye ba obi obi bibi
mo ba bra tire se na mo hwehwe na eda mo de o isa mo fa ne mfon yi hwehwe
na se ne bi si abekira bi so woni mu to woni mu gita bo me kai wanti
wo ni ane se bra na
ba se me yanko
wa me ka bi tira no wa be tira ka se be bra
ya ki ya bra ya mla wo ya ko pa
kachi ma
wawura hello ate mu so asem kakra wate me pepe anjira kurayim mesra wo hu abrantie bia ye frɛ no Kaakyire
wo wetiri mi bebre
wo kokko kakra
na nim tadwa sɛ ne maame anim pepe
na ɔtɔ nwum
wonim senkuo bɔ pa
aja
ende moti fufuo
ama na tonkwan thank you
trachi na mo hwehwɛ no
ai
wo me nkyɛn
me
nso me yɛsɔfo Reverend Jones nkyɛn
me so me nyame nipa Reverend Amoako
ende akɔ aba
na nyame nipa tie abrante no ne maame nimpon pɛ ne fɛ na kuya kye ɛna papa yi ne wo fa nimpon
ai
wo fa so nie
ya fɛ ne kata
ende eje akɔ aba
na bra ya
bra na plan so ni jojo ni jojo na
afena komo
ne mu su twa me ne mu bɛkɔ na makɔhwɛ sɛ ɔyɛ mode hye na
sɔfo ne yɛ nkɔ
Kaakyire na dai ade na wo ye me sa wo maame wo ma me su ma ni bre me ho sa
na wo fa su
na wo fa ye nya ye ni abre senya sofo yi ene onyankopɔ de ho asem ehye ne bie nani emi ehu se wo nwu ya ka bibi kura cheme adai
yo maame enye bone mpanimfo se bone kura kura bi
kura
ye na ekoso e wo kura na se ne twase me fi se me fa ha boy me fa ha ye na wo mpa adwuma na kita da wo kon ho atetie na de ku me kura ne se abaya amani da no so me do wiase osia afi me koto na woni obi hyesu
e si se hoyi
na se me dwane
na nti sa
na ma me dwane efri mu ncha me de bebo obra ne pi okuru ama ka me nim se ka me ya hwere ade
Kaakyire we de aseda ene wo mu na me de ye me de pa chen bibia ne se mpani se ye yu ba bi akoba bi ana se dwie efiri utirim ebeto abo bi sebo a wonyirai obusha ko no emu no okọ bibia nyam de se sofo mo fa se ni tribo mu we nya ba bi ankoso yo wo onyankopɔ efie onyame nipa efie
nyame ye kesi
nyame ambassador efie no beso yo ye chira kase ma na janja bia wo ba ye no say when you jetire kakra ye that's my baby sing say ba ja
menya jetire ma bo bra ne bi menya sika ne bi
ye yes
na ma menyi wasotere bi o kai say mre bi atwam na wo ta me nti me ka say me ye yi a me nhwew
aso nhwew
o fa da so wo mi ti man die me nhwew
Kwame Kaakyire
me nhwew
eje kacha sofo em say Kaakyire ni ameka mo ate ase ne se
sofo
ni atwam no ma entwam na empire pa ya bo
nya konche
ne ho akomchene a wonyankopon yi kire yen a ampa ya tu anamon a ya babeto ha no wo se nyame wotumi
nyame yes
na ne ye me de wo mu na ye manigie se ya meto ba bi bone se saba betu nyame fie
osofo fie
se osofo ne yere ana se wo ne wo mote ka kire se nyame ka che woni se ma wani na ho e wa brabo na wo bonu isan se bible ma yete ase se otamfo bonsam nam se jata bubom apo bi amene no
wo beche wari obonsam
edika kire
bofu
se wa ma wani na ho se dia me kana wan sha obekonsohwem se ne mesre woni se so wo sofo ne yere na ase diwana montu achi namnim se ne santi no onyame nhira bi ye ode ano ode bedomo
ebi aka wo fa no maame
akawi
efutu amede ma wa no no
akano na ebom
onyimi die
na wo fa de no eno de mesre wo atwam
ono mom de na no wo no so pa
si anso de em se motunfu bebre ba wiasem so de efutu wo hui
sakra nipa
ati se nso hwe sisi akachire chi hui enyema wa fam enso hwe a wa fam
owura mu
a enne odi abetina he ejo wo soro pe ena onim
unsa ye fe
sisi a oti hui we twa power epie
amen
anyumpa
me da na oyirasi o me da mo ase
get pacho enum no wodi kwade da yi ma de so ya ye nya
so fu penye mbeto no onye nyiyi mu
dabi
ena de nyame de soma am se menye no wama me kwan se mento me highlight
amen
ena meto ye
yo
na onye nyiyi mu
mati
no bible say honhom aba eni odo
amase
odo honhom
kachiri we de bere ba ku bi ba nyame boa na se we ni ba na sa so ba yo foforo
me ye foforo
we wi ana de akontie ya age me te gare bofo na ya age me e bere ama bo akoko enu se we di se ba be ko akontie ya age me te gare bofo ya age me
kachiri
esa kwa no ye beja o
me de no ne makoma so ade
mate me da mo ase me nko wa nko kra ka me penemom asansa fa ade a mpeni fo so de kire enti no mema wonne me maame ne sofo no mu akọ e kire yato ebo abeyo ho ade no
o awurade me da wase
ba pe jama we wase ne ma o de betina ase
e da ne de bi da ho
da du
mo me bi da
ba pe ntuma
ma fa ne sa me ba
I am roaring like a lion. It's not over until it's over. Beware.
They are the children of Lucifer, the children of Obonsam, the army of darkness. They come from a powers in the hell, they are so dangerous. The army of darkness. They came into the world just to destroy the work of God. Army of darkness. Na one comes to him. Obusamenya bere, bobo musejata. Ofike obia meneno. Mawaninda. Army of darkness. Yeah, army of darkness. They are so dangerous. Army of darkness. Yeah, army of darkness. They are so dangerous. Army of darkness. Upon somebody one day was sent into the world by the father Lucifer to kill, to steal, and to destroy every living thing on the earth now. Or they are done, every mind energy, never pamper serious, physical to me, ya one papa dia. Upon somebody one day was sent into the world by their father Lucifer to steal, to kill, and to destroy every living thing on the earth now. What's the Yaredom Major Man? Now was there a Baba saying, oh, hey, Sunday, yes, it's to me, Nina, you want Papa, dear. So beware.